Kieran, what are we looking at with this now?
Those are our multi-purpose bit milliner lifetime replacement guarantee. They're not going to chip on you. They don't snap right easily. You can drill iron and hardened steel. If you're going to hit rebar, don't worry about it. It'll handle the stove. If you get into harder metals, they do an excellent job as well. Hammerhead, obviously. They also do a real nice job in things like stainless steel, though you do want to slow down a bit in stainless. They'll also do a real nice job in tile, and marble, that type of thing. They don't break very easy. They've got a lifetime replacement guarantee.